So we've talked before about this whole idea of the dialogue space and what that means, and I just wonder if you could just sort of explain what you mean by the idea of dialogue space, and then what do you mean by the idea of dialogue space?
Okay. Dialogue space is the space that you hold for people to have a more meaningful discussion about what's going on. There's a nice little theory called Theory U by Otto Scharmer, which is a U shape, and at one side of the U is a problem, an issue, and the other side is the solution. But for a lot of people, what they do is they go into autopilot. They go, right, okay, so if you've got this problem, what you need to do is this, this, and this. But actually, as a group, there may not be a clarity as to what that solution is. I may have a version of the solution, you may have a version of, but actually we need to create a version of the solution. So what you need to do is create the dialogue, and having the dialogue is about opening your mind to understand what your viewpoint is, which therefore means it becomes a type of sacred space that we have that dialogue, we respect your view. I may totally disagree with what you're coming up with, but what you then need to do is to move to the second stage, which is opening your heart up to, well, Lorna can't be daft about this. I don't agree with your viewpoint, but actually there must be some good. And once you start to really hear what that viewpoint is by deep listening, it allows you to potentially start moving towards the bottom of the U. And the bottom of the U is where you end up with free will, where you, in Otto Scharmer terms, presence, or for me, know. You get that gut feel where you say, I know this is what we need to do. In effect, you've moved out of the head, through the heart, to the gut. And it's at that point you find what we might call platform 9 3/4 in Harry Potter terms, which is, right, so what we're saying here. And that can be influenced by both the hard stuff, what I might call platform 9, the soft stuff, platform 10, and platform 9 3/4 sits right in the middle. So the dialogue space is that space where you're really trying to deep listen to see what's going to emerge.